Hey everybody, I'm just about to put together a little video here showing the installation of the Unifilter pre-filter from a Honda CRF300L into the intake snorkel of my BMW G310GS I have here. And my goal today is to see if I can actually do this one-handed while I hold my phone doing my typical high production YouTube videos. So here we go. This is the windsock style pre-filter. It goes up inside the intake snorkel. So with the bars turned, there should be adequate room to do this. So we go up here. Hopefully you can see this, and into the intake here. We just start feeding that up inside there. It just slides in nice and easy. I don't know how much you can see, so you can see it just sticking out the end of the intake there. Let's have a look from under the underside here. You can see it sitting there. It's like some red lips. Now we just need to fold this over the end of the intake. So again, doing this one-handed. So we just back it, double it over the intake. Excuse me, this will be very ordinary filming here, but there we go. So that's folded back over the intake snorkel. Let's go have a look under here again. You look up in there. There it is. So the next part of the one-handed challenge, little baggage of spares. So I'm going to try one of these rubber bands. Now these are like a UV stabilized fancy rubber band that I got from a fishing supply store or something. So I want to try using one of these instead of a zip tie, because I did get caught out with the reusable zip tie while I was on a trip. So let's see how this goes. No, this is definitely a bit of a challenge. Let's try. Difficult to show it. Was doable. Ended up being a two-handed job. But yeah, all done. And it's really nice being able to change that out on a trip when you're riding lots of others in dust, because yeah, you don't want to be doing the pleated filter when you're out and about. So I recently did a 2,000 kilometer 6-day trip. So at the end of day 3, I actually changed the pre-filter out, and it was super grubby, and yeah, prevents obviously a lot going into the air filter. So you know, saves taking off the entire fuel tank covering, fairing, whatever you want to call it, in order to get to the paper air filter itself. So there you go. Enjoy your riding. Bye.